Oh.
So a long waiting package finally arrived. Look at that. It's here, Balaram Ji. Back to Max Prabhu, gonna be so ecstatic. We're gonna wait for him to bring the package and open it up and do a little unpacking. Hare Krishna. Jaya Balaram, Jaya Balaram, Jaya Jaya Balaram.
Oh.
Jai.
Jai Hari Bol.
What do you say, Prabhu?
Hari Bol.
Thank you so much, Mark.
Thank you so
Incredible
much,
gift
Mark.
for the new temple, BLISS USA.
We will go out on Sankirtan very, very, very frequently with this.
8 hours every day, right, Prabhu?
Jai.
Are we ready for Sankirtan?
Oh.
A big thanks to Mark Prabhu. Hare Krishna, you're the best. Hare Krishna, so it's a historical moment. Met one of my very first subscribers to the Living Monk channel.
Hare Krishna,
The one and only Mike Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Welcome to Seattle.
You came in touch with Krishna consciousness right here in Seattle?
I got reestablished with Krishna consciousness here at Alki Beach.
Alki Beach, okay, right
but
here.
I connected in Santa Barbara.
Santa Barbara, California.
And UCSB.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Pleasure to have your association, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Bol.
So how was association with the Sankirtan, Prabhu?
Ecstatic. It's very nice. Hari Bol.
Jai, the beautiful scenery behind us, the beach, Alki Beach. You can see all. It's amazing. So many people heard the holy name, got purified. Now we shall continue. Haribo. Sampada